Hello friends, today is March 6th. We are going to be pruning our roses today. We usually prune our roses when we see new growth on them in spring, and we can also fertilize them in spring. We don't normally prune them in fall because we want the roses to have all the leaves just to act as a blanket for them, plus all the insects will be surviving through the winter in those dead leaves. See all the new growths on them. If you want the roses to be spreading, you will keep the buds which are facing outward, so they will be spreading. These are daffodils. They are going to be blooming soon. Deer will not eat daffodils. These are tulips. Since deer love the tulips, we can spray them with some deer repellent. It's good to have a long sleeve shirt and gloves so you don't get bit by the thorns. We are pruning the hydrangea also today. We can fertilize the roses at the same time we prune them. This is Miracle-Gro Bloom Booster Flower Food. I'm going to use 1 spoon in 1 gallon of water. Hyacinths are also coming out of the ground slowly.